Right, well, we're cutting in with that big breaking story at this hour. A huge victory for India's gay rights movement. In a landmark judgment, the Delhi High Court today has declared that consensual sex among gay adults is legal and therefore not punishable under Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code. The verdict, in effect, decriminalizes homosexuality in India and comes on a petition filed by the Naz Foundation, an activist group called Voices Against 377. In fact, today's decision comes after a long battle by gay rights activists to get Section 377 amended. Just last Sunday, on the 28th of June, gay rights activists, men and women and supporters took out massive parades in Delhi, Chennai and Bangalore. Well, Sunetra Chaudhary now joins us for more on this. Sunetra, a big day for the gay community in India. Just give us details of what the court said. Right, well, we seem to have lost Sunetra for the moment, but we will try and get her back. But as we said, homosexuality has now been decriminalized in India. It's a big day for the gay community. Till now, under the Indian Penal Code, under Section 377, unnatural acts was considered a criminal offence, and it had a punishment of up to 10 years and even a fine. It was a law that was put into place in 1861 by the Britishers, and many activists had said it was completely outdated and needed to be scrapped. Even the UPA government has said it wants to conduct a rethink really on the law, and Prime Minister Manmohan Singh had in fact asked the Home Minister and Health Minister as well as the Law Minister to have a discussion on it. Well, Sunetra Chaudhary now joins us again. Sunetra, give us the details.
Well, Gargi, it's been a really emotional moment in court. People have broken down. I have the lawyer from Lawyers Collective, Tripti, here. She's going to basically 377 in all, Section 377 in all ways it's been struck down. And Lawyers Collective is here with me. They'll explain it. Would you like to explain it?
Yeah, what do you want me to explain?
Explain, you're on air. Just explain.
As the judge basically, what was exciting is that not only is it favorable, but he based it on the fact that it is that we must be, Nehruji talked about an inclusive society. And my God, what a progressive judgment. Well, I'm so proud. I can't hold on. It's too much.
Right,
1 second.
so happy words there really by one of the petitioners. But